my name is Rebecca and I'm the office manager here at Living Water. One of my things I get to do is that I can submit your HOA documents to your HOA for approval. We will ask for you to give us your HOA application and just sign where it says for the homeowner signatures. From there, I will get the design from the designer and pull together a packet that will have all of the relevant information in it. It looks a little something like this, where it has an overview, it has your design along with materials so that your HOA knows what is actually going to be installed. From there, I will submit it over to your HOA through email and make sure to copy you on it. Typically, HOAs have a review time anywhere from 15 to 45 days. Once the application has been submitted and they confirm back, and we can keep in touch with them just to check on the status of your application and get you taken care of. If you are interested in having us come out and do a free consultation, or if you just have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at the office. Our number is 702-655-5593. We look forward to hearing from you.